In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Outlook with HubSpot. Now first, head into your Outlook and log into your account. Once logged in, look at the left sidebar and scroll down to the last option called Apps. Click on it, then select Add Apps. After it loads, search for HubSpot and wait for the results to appear. Now click on the official HubSpot add-in and install it from there. Once the installation is complete, go back to your Outlook inbox. Now click on Compose New Email from the top bar, then click on Apps. From here, you will find the HubSpot menu. Click on it. HubSpot will then ask you to allow or connect your account, so approve the permission and log in to your HubSpot account. Once everything is connected, you are done. From here, you can track emails, log conversations, and use HubSpot tools directly inside Outlook. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.